In today's video, I'll share with you the new ways to make money with Canva, at least $1,370 a day. So guys, there's an underrated side hustle that is earning people over $1,370 per day, and it's all done using Canva AI. Like seriously, when I also first discovered this, it genuinely blew my mind, and here is how it works. Just so you know, I have started this video in my previous, check my previous video to find out how to begin. Today I'm going to be continuing with step 5, and I also have a gift for you at the end of this video, a giveaway. Yes, so watch this video all the way till the end. So step 5 is this: go ahead and create a book cover. Now we're going to create a book cover. You've got two options here. The first option is to hire a graphic designer to design it for you. Someone on Fiverr that probably specializes in book covers. For example, I also found a designer that is offering services for just $10. Yes, on Fiverr. And if you're interested, you can, I can provide an affiliate link for you guys. Now, the second option is for you to design it for yourself, and it's free of charge. So I recommend starting by searching for book cover in Canva's templates. Just go to Canva, browse templates created by other people for inspiration when designing your own cover. And since no one has yet made templates for dot-to-dot books, because I searched for coloring books cover templates, because this niche overlaps a lot with dot-to-dot books. So by doing this, I found a template that I really liked. I downloaded my own AI generated templates or image, imported it into Photopea, which is a free Photoshop clone, and colored in the background of the image, making it white instead of transparent. Then I opened the book cover template in Canva and customized. So first I removed images that I didn't want. Then I switched the colors, because changing the yellow to light blue and then background to a darker blue, it modified the text to match my chosen niche, which was ocean. And I played around with little white fleckings, little white flecks, and I duplicated them. I added extras at the background. Next thing I did was I searched for an ocean wave graphic, filtered results to show free images, and I used free clip art, from Canva due to its fewer licensing restrictions. After that, I downloaded my edited AI image, positioned it on the cover. Once the design was complete, I grouped all of the elements together and downloaded the Amazon KDP cover template from the KDP cover calculator website. Now, this template helps you resize your cover, including the front, back, and spine. After resizing the Canva design to 17.447 inches by 11.25 inches, which is the dimensions provided by the KDP calculator, I uploaded the Canva, the template into Canva. I placed it behind my design and used it as a guide. So finally, after deleting the templates and making sure that all the elements are correctly positioned, I exported the cover as a PDF for print file in RGB format. Once your cover and content files are ready, you are all set to upload your book to Amazon KDP. Let me know if you'd like to explore any of these steps. Yes, then come and add, any keywords. And of course, this is where ChatGPT comes in. You can tell ChatGPT that you want keyword ideas for your KDP book to, optimize it for the Amazon search algorithm to get free traffic, and it is amazing. Yes, it's coming up with keywords that you can actually use. Now, once you've done that, head on over to the next page. On this page, click to get a free ISBN, which is very cool. An ISBN is a unique book identification number that lets you add a barcode to your book. Usually you have to pay like $125 just to buy one of these, but if you click to assign a free ISBN, Amazon will give it to you free of charge. Amazon will give you one for free, which is honestly an amazing bargain. Next is make sure that you are printing your book on white paper. Yes, with black ink, to make sure that your trim size is set to 8.5 by 11 inches. After that, make sure that it is set to allow bleed. Then you can choose whether you want a matte or a glossy finish, but it's up to you. I personally love glossy finish. So when you get to the manuscript section, upload the PDF of your book that you downloaded from Canva, then upload your book cover. Again, select to upload the PDF that you downloaded from Canva, or if you bought one from Fiverr, upload that cover instead. And after this, Amazon will ask if you used AI to help you create your book. Honestly, I think it's best to be honest. There is no evidence that Amazon is penalizing books within the algorithm that were made with AI. Instead, it seems that they are keeping track of this, probably because they want data for their own AI tools. For the text, choose that you used AI to generate pictures from Canva, which you edited extensively, and that you did not use AI to translate to text. After that, scroll down and launch a preview of your book, which is super cool. So Amazon's AI will now turn it into a digital version of your printed book, so you can flick through and make sure that it looks the way that you want it to look. If you're happy with it, click to approve, scroll down, confirm your settings, and proceed to the next page. Now on this page, you set your book pricing. So first, turn on expanded distribution to maximize your sales, then set your book price. When you're choosing your book price, a common tactic is to start with a low product price of around maybe $7 to $8 to get initial sales. Then later you can increase it to $9 and then $10 to take advantage of higher payouts. It's totally up to you how you price it. But I do recommend watching free videos, on YouTube, how to go in depth on how to market KDP books. I would have done a full tutorial on that, but it's a whole process entirely. But yes, if you're interested in learning about this, you can leave it in the comments. I will show you exactly how to go about it. But yes, before I go, if you are new to this channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. And yes, just so you know, I have a giveaway at the end of today's video, and I do not want to forget. So let me introduce myself while you're introducing yourselves. Especially to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. You guys are the best. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always sharing me out. Thank you for telling a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend about all the opportunities I'm sharing with you guys on my channel. So please, while you're introducing yourself, let me also go ahead and introduce myself as well. So guys, my name is Miriam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer, and on this channel I share 3 videos every week: Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. And if you can also catch me, you can also book a one-on-one consultation with me. But yes, that way, if you want to book a consultation with me, let me complete that part. You have to join my Patreon membership. You can find the link in the description. Yes, to join my Patreon community, then you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, finance, and everything in between: travel, scholarships, and what have you. So besties, here is how to enter for my own personal giveaway. I'm doing a $100 cash giveaway, and all you need to do is join my Telegram community and then add 50 friends into my Telegram community, and I'm gonna give you $100 cash. It is currently open, so yes, go ahead and start adding your friends into my Telegram community. Just add 50 people, and that's it, guys. You're already on your way to making money right here just by watching this video. So besties, that is all about it on this channel. One thing I want you guys to note is there are no stupid questions on this channel. Just feel free to ask your question. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. This is not just my channel. It is your channel. It is our channel. So please, by all means, I look forward to reading from every single one of you. I will respond to all your comments. Just give me some time. Give me that, just be patient with me. I will definitely get back to every single one of you. I want to thank you once again for watching my videos all the way till the very end. I'm your girl Miriam. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I would implore that you please check them out. Check them out today, because there's a whole lot that you don't want to miss. So besties, I think that's about it. And yes, I also have a tip for you guys. So watch my next video, because I really don't want my videos to be way too long. So watch out for my next video, because I'll be sharing the tip, a special tip that helps me make, that's also, would I call it like a side hustle, but it's also a website that helps me make thousands of dollars every single day. You just need to know it. Like I always say on this channel, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look, and the moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. If you want to know it fast enough before I publish the next video, you can join my Patreon community and book a one-on-one consultation with me, and I'm just going to share with you how you can make thousands of, like, this is real time. It's a website that changed my life, literally. So thank you all so much for watching, and I wish you guys all the very best of luck. What part of my video stood out for you? Which of my strategies have you tried, or would you be trying? Let me know in the comments. I want to read from you. Till I see you in my next video, take care and bye for now. Love you. Bye guys.